Hello, my name is Estefania Quesada, and I will be your English teacher in this semester. Here you will have some instructions that will help you a lot in this semester. Instructions are: first, punctuality; second, responsibility and respect; third, creativity and cooperation. First, punctuality. You will have to be in the virtual class 5 minutes before in order to check your computer, the sound, and the video. Before it starts and maximum 10 minutes after it started. You will reduce your year-round attendance in SGA mis horarios. Second, responsibility. You will present all the assignments on time. And before the semester ends, you can present all of the missed activities on the week for recuperation, so be careful for the dates. Third, respect and cooperation. We use socio-formative model and we will solve a problem in context. We will work in groups and pairs individually, giving feedback and co-evaluation. Just enjoy all of these activities and constantly be ready to do many of them. Thanks for your attention.